Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a beachy wave look. So I've washed and shampooed my hair, shampooed and conditioned my hair. I've just blown and dried it out. Blow dried it out. Can't speak today, can I? Okay, now I'm just going to take it half up, half down and separate it out. I'm going to go in with Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Texturizing Spray. And spray. Smells like coconuts. Just to give it a little bit of texture. I'm going to brush it through. Wow, we can't get it together today, can we? I'm going to take the top half down, spray in the same spray, brush it through. Y'all, I swear to you, I bought this necklace at Walmart the other day. How cute is this necklace? I bought like 5. They had a whole display of adorable bohemian necklaces. I'm a sucker for anything bohemian or black, as you can tell. Okay, the difference between glam curls and beach waves is basically with glam curls, you go all in one direction. With beachy waves, you're going to do every other piece in a different direction. You can either use a clipless curling wand or a regular curling iron. I find it easier to work with one with a clip. And you can leave out the bottom piece or curl it with it. Since I just washed my hair today I will curl my piece with the end piece. That way it doesn't look so frazzled on the ends. When I have second day hair and I've already touched the ends of it with heat to kind of seal them, then I will leave out the bottom piece. So that piece, if you can tell, the first piece I went backwards, the second piece I'm going forwards. And you're just going to repeat this all the way around. I'm running my curling iron through because, as I said before, I just washed and blow dried my hair and I want to just calm the cuticle down. Some pieces I will not curl all the way to the end, so it's a little bit more of a messier look. You go down, back up. Then I'm going to go the opposite way. I'm also gonna, later today, I will do another video and show you how I do overnight waves with my hair. So that way I don't have to curl it again tomorrow. I can just have no heat waves. I typically don't do no heat waves right after I wash my hair because my hair is very coarse and texturized and frizzy. So I have to touch it with heat for it, the cuticle to calm down and to not be frizzed. If you can tell the difference. Sorry, I went backwards. Now I'm going to go forwards. For those of you that missed my coconut oil mask, once a week I usually do a deep condition with coconut oil. I just take Trader Joe's organic coconut oil. I take about 2 tablespoons. It will tend to be liquidy during warmer months if you just keep it in your cabinet. During warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just keep it in your cabinet, during warmer months, if you just during colder months, it's more of a solid. So if your coconut oil is not liquefied, just put it in the microwave in a little bowl for maybe 10 seconds so that it's liquefied. Run it through your hair before you shampoo it. So just take your dirty hair, run the coconut oil through it. Do not get it on your roots. It will make your hair greasy looking if you do so. Concentrate the coconut oil on the bottom half of your hair. So starting from about your hair shaft down, missing your roots, and really concentrate it on your ends. You can leave it on for 20 minutes if you want. However, if you have longer to leave it on, then it's going to repair your hair more. You can also put it in a shower cap and either add a blow dryer to it to seal it in better, or you can even sleep in it. Sleeping in it is going to give you the best results. Make sure when you're washing it out, you double shampoo your hair. You want to get all of the oil out. And that is the best. It's better than any expensive hair conditioning mask you can buy on the market. It's all natural, all organic, right in your pantry. So now I'm just going through and let down the top half, and just picking out the pieces that have not been curled yet and going opposite ways, just like I did the bottom half of my hair. If your hair does not hold curl, a titanium iron is going to be the best one for you. Also, you can spray your piece of hair before and after. And you can also use more texturizing spray than I used. Texturized hair holds better. A lot of times when I am hair modeling, before we go out on the runway, a lot of times they do a lot of updos, and what they'll do is to texturize your hair, they'll actually use like an 80s crimper, and they will go through and crimp out your hair and then brush it out so it's huge and big and has a lot of texture, and then it can basically hold almost any hairstyle. So people who color their hair tend to have more texture and hold in it as well. Just honestly, it's because of the damage. So just continuing along like I've done the bottom half. Then I will show you how to get bigger hair. If you see how after I do each piece, I just tassel it with my finger, so it's more of a wave instead of a curl. You always want to curl the first piece of your hair away from your face because it's softer and it looks really pretty. It helps frame your face. A lot of people prefer to use a curling wand for waves, but I personally, if you can see how quickly I work with this curling iron, a lot of people ask how I do that. It's just, it takes practice. The more you do it, the faster you get, and it's just so much easier to work with than a wand. See how I can touch the tip. Now you just want to pull a piece from the back, just going over it. I'm going to separate it out. Curl forward. part. And just continuing on in that same rotation. This is actually a Hot Shot Tools 1.5 inch extra long barrel curling iron. You can get them at Sally's, Amazon. I love this one because with my long hair, it has the long barrel. And it's just very easy to work with. It heats up quickly, and it's titanium, which is going to hold the best curl. I'm just going back through, if you can tell, and just picking up pieces and seeing if they're curled well or not, because it's hard to see the back of your hair. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to tease a little bit and fluff. I'm going to go in with my big, sexy hairspray. Actually, I'm wrong. Same color bottle. Today I'm using Chi hairspray, but I do use Big Sexy hairspray a lot. So I'm just picking it up, spraying, just to give volume. Sorry guys, I do funny things in the mouth. I was born this way. I can't help it. It's automatic. So there's what it looks like, and that only took 10 minutes. That's with showing you guys how to do it, and with really long hair. It's so simple. The top layer and the back, I'm going to brush through. And this is where I'm going to concentrate my tease. I take a tease brush. You can get these at Sally's or Amazon. You can get everything on Amazon. What you're going to do is you're going to brush away from your hair. So you hold it up, and you can see I'm brushing away. I'm brushing towards the wall. Then I'm going to spray it. Ta-da! Super easy. Big hair is where it's at, especially big wavy hair. If it looks a little messy where you teased, you just do a comb over. And that's it, ladies. Like and subscribe to my channel, and also tune to my Facebook page, Kisses and Glam by Make 'em Blush, for all your beauty tips and beauty needs.